Okay, so I'm going to continue what I was working on the last video, or the last time I even touched this, which was a couple days ago. But I haven't figured out some things yet, and I'm going to try to do that this time. I'm going to try to do it in this one. I don't know if I'm going to get it, but anyways, I'm going to read it up. Not going to waste so much time talking. I think I was. Well, first of all, I need to make sure that I switch my branch because I was in my master branch, and every time I push to the master, it'll get nullified. Will change. Will try to deploy the site again, which is it's on the internet, by the way, but there's nothing much to it. Okay, I'm in the right branch. That's cool. So here. Is because I created a new component instead of having it structured here as JSX. I created a new component called Analyze Recipe Instruction, which I might have to take back some of this stuff and do it again, see what's going on. Of course. Let's see. This is what I'm looking for. Because everything is loading, I may have to delete some. Let me delete some stuff. I need to view one thing at a time. Can I even do that? Nah. Okay. There it goes. Deeper within is getting called. Okay, because there's 3 different arrays. There are more arrays here. And I want this number 1 step. I think that'd be it for now, right? I think so. Okay, so can I do this? Does it break? No, it gives me what I want. Okay, fair enough. No, that didn't work either, so perhaps I don't know what I'm doing honestly. So trial and errors. So I'm not even gonna think about a return right now. Let's see if I can. I don't think what I'm about to do here is even cool to do. Type today. This is probably not even gonna even work correctly. I'm gonna call that a day. I actually don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, so I have no clue. And I'm really looking into getting some help for this, because this is okay. So let me take you out too. So okay, so we got that out the way. So all I want is this. This is what all I want right now. And how do I extract that? I don't know, but perhaps if I change the structure of these maps. What if I, this is the original return, I'll take all of this out and rewrite it again. And just get rid of all of it, get rid of all of it. So, we'll start there. Slowly, one by one. Go back to the null. Okay, export. So I'm gonna give a div. I'm gonna give it a class name. And I'm gonna call this start with that. Yeah, and then in here I'll start doing some JavaScript. So I'm say recipes. Matter of fact, hold on. Something came up to my head, and I'm gonna go back ridiculously back where I was previous. Something came up, and I don't know if it's gonna work, but it may work. So take all of this. It's not gonna be here. I'm gonna remove all of this. Go back, and I'm gonna build it back up. There it is. Farther back. Good. Alright. That didn't work either. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna stop my video right now. I have no idea what's going on. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna have to get back on this part. So a little bit more reading, and we'll see. We'll see moving forward. All right. Going back into the code. So we're back in the recipes and the component. Well, this is the class component. So I want to go the random recipe. Okay. So yesterday here in this area I had a new component built because and I was gonna use the component name in order to get those instructions to come up on the screen. As a matter of fact, it's not even. Okay, it's right here. So as you can see down here, now those instructions are more organized in sentence. Right now they're under paragraph elements, and I think I'm going to change them to order lists so they can show up in numbers rather than just a sentence, or maybe even an order list with 2 bulletins. So this looks a lot more organized and much easier to read, and plus it doesn't have like a bunch of elements just sticking out out on the page, so it looks much cleaner right now. You know, I'm going to change the font because this is the original fonts, so I might change it to the font as you can see right here on the navigation, so I'll do that. So still need to work on this right here, but that'll come with time. So what I did differently was, I did create a map, you know, I was on the right track when I was not figuring it out. So that's one thing. So what I did different is I did the same map, and then inside the method I added a extra parameter called index. Because remember, if you remember, I think on the last video, even the last video, I think it talked about like how I needed to add some IDs, and I did, but I believe I was doing them incorrectly. So with the help I got today, I managed to type up an extra parameter, and I called it index, and then I use that index to access a key within the map method. I don't remember what this is called again. Damn, I forgot the name of it. I'm gonna have to get back on that one. I don't remember, but I wasn't. Let's just say I wasn't writing the keys like this at first, and I'm gonna have to put on notes exactly what this is called, because I did some reading about it today, and I've seen it in the past, but I feel like it's been more like a blur, more like anything when you start learning how to code. Everything's like a blur until you understand it, and then you go from there. So right now it's at the blur mode, but the highlight part here, where I was making the most obvious error, is on my return. So because I was writing the map method as a function, I was trying to return something, because I'm not gonna tell myself that I wasn't. I know I was, but maybe I probably misstep or incorrectly try to return something. I think I was, if I remember from the video, I was trying to return maybe a variable. You can't even, and it didn't even let me do that, so that's incorrect. So I just returned in JSX, and then inside the div. And also what we did differently, that inside the div, we added another map, and we added 2 more parameters, which is cook and then I for index. And then cook was I believe the ID that I needed to use to access I used cook to access the array, and then eyes to use the index. I think I'm gonna have to get better with the wording. But within inside this map, we did a callback cook, and then we returned a JSX element or a paragraph with the key index, and then that's how I was able to get the instructions rendered on the screen. So I plan on retyping this and making it more readable. So I'll probably be doing that in the next video. But for now, I managed to get this fixed, and I would say for the next vid, I'm going to explain what this is. I forgot what it was called, but I'm gonna do that, and then probably do some CSS styling, make it look better. I don't know, whatever I feel that's more productive. So I just wanted to come back and see. I just wanted to follow up with the results, and this is what it looks like so far. So just stay tuned, and then maybe on the next video we'll do some aesthetics or some CSS and make it look cute. Take that back, make it look better. Cutes for girls. I just wanted to tell you. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.